Japan's history dates back to at least the 10th millennium BC, with the Jomon culture, recognized for its distinctive cord-patterned pottery. Officially recorded history begins in the 5th century AD, as noted by Chinese chronicles that describe the Japanese archipelago. During the classical Nara and Heian periods, Buddhism and Chinese cultural influences began shaping Japanese civilization, introducing sophisticated legal and cultural practices. The medieval era saw the emergence of the samurai class and the establishment of a feudal system under various shogunate governments, including the Kamakura and Tokugawa, the latter known for its over 200 years of isolationist policies, ending only with Commodore Perry's arrival in 1854. This event led to the Meiji Restoration, which catalyzed rapid modernization and industrialization, propelling Japan into the status of an imperial power. In the 20th century, Japan expanded aggressively during World War II, but suffered devastating defeat and occupation by Allied forces afterward. The post-war period marked a dramatic economic recovery, turning Japan into one of the world's leading economies. Today, Japan expertly blends its rich traditions with cutting-edge technology and popular culture, exemplifying a nation that has adeptly maintained its historical identity while continuously evolving. Thanks for watching.